Hi friends. Welcome back to our worldwide channel. When you think about beach, you probably think of yellow or white sand, rolling waves, bright sunlight and a beer or fruity cocktail. But there are some really amazing beaches, come in far more different shapes and colors than some of us might have expected. Let us discuss the 13 unique beaches that are not just about building sandcastles and collecting seashells. 13th, Jökulsárlón Beach. Jökulsárlón Beach, also known as Diamond Beach, is located in Iceland. It's famous for its stunning black sand beach, covered with glittering icebergs that have calved from the nearby Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon. The contrast between the dark sand and the clear or blue-tinted ice creates a breathtaking visual spectacle, hence the name Diamond Beach. It's a popular destination for tourists seeking unique and picturesque landscapes. 12th, Giant Causeway Beach. The Giant's Causeway is a natural wonder located on the north coast of Northern Ireland. It's known for its distinctive hexagonal basalt columns that form a surreal-looking landscape. These columns were created by volcanic activity millions of years ago. The Giant's Causeway has become a popular tourist attraction and is often associated with Irish mythology and legends. It's also a UNESCO World Heritage Site. While it's not a traditional beach like with sand and water, the interlocking columns create unique formations along the coast that are visually stunning and intriguing. 11th, Bowling Ball Beach. Bowling Ball Beach, also known as Schooner Gulch State Beach, is located on the Mendocino coast in California, USA. It's named after the spherical sandstone concretions that are scattered along the beach, resembling giant bowling balls. These concretions were formed through a natural process of sediment accumulation and cementation over millions of years. The beach is known for its unique and striking appearance, making it a popular spot for photographers and visitors interested in geological formations. It's important to note that access to the beach can be influenced by tides, so it's recommended to check tide schedules before visiting. 10th, Hot Water Beach. Hot Water Beach is a popular natural attraction located on the Coromandel Peninsula in New Zealand. It's known for its unique feature where hot water from underground geothermal springs seeps up through the sand, creating natural hot water pools on the beach. Visitors can dig their own hot pools by digging in the sand during low tide, allowing them to enjoy a warm soak while surrounded by the picturesque beach scenery. The phenomenon is caused by geothermal activity in the area, and it's a must-visit spot for tourists seeking a relaxing and unusual experience. It's important to be cautious, as the water can be very hot in some areas. 9th, Glass Beach. Glass Beach is a unique beach located in Fort Bragg, California, USA. It's famous for its colorful pebbles of sea glass that have been naturally polished by the ocean waves over time. The glass found on the beach comes from decades of trash and discarded glass that was dumped into the ocean and subsequently broken down into smooth, frosted pieces. While it's visually stunning and intriguing, collecting sea glass is discouraged now to preserve the beach's beauty and ecosystem. The beach has become a protected area, and visitors are encouraged to appreciate the glass in its natural setting without removing it. 8th, Zlatni Rat Beach. Zlatni Rat is a well-known beach located on the southern coast of the island of Brač in Croatia. Often referred to as the Golden Horn or Golden Cape, it's famous for its distinctive shape, which extends like a tongue into the sea and changes its position with the changing currents and winds. Zlatni Rat is one of the most iconic beaches in Croatia and is popular among tourists for its beautiful surroundings, crystal-clear waters, and various water sports activities. It's a prime destination for beachgoers seeking stunning coastal landscapes and recreational opportunities. 7th, Mayho Beach. Mayho Beach is a famous beach located on the Caribbean island of St. Martin, specifically on the Dutch side of the island. What makes Mayho Beach unique is its proximity to Princess Juliana International Airport. The beach is situated at the end of the airport's runway, and planes taking off and landing fly directly overhead at a very low altitude. This has made Mayho Beach a popular spot for plane enthusiasts and tourists who come to experience the thrill of watching large aircraft fly incredibly close to the beach. Visitors to Mayho Beach often gather to watch the planes, feel the jet blasts from departing aircraft, and even get up close to aircraft as they land. However, due to the powerful jet blasts, it's important for spectators to exercise caution and hold on to something sturdy when planes take off. Mayho Beach has become a well-known and unique tourist attraction due to this aviation activity, making it a memorable experience for those visiting the island. 6th, Hidden Beach. Hidden Beach, also known as Playa del Amor, is a breathtaking natural wonder located on the Marietta Islands in Mexico. The Marietta Islands are part of the Islas Marietas National Park, located off the coast of Puerto Vallarta. Hidden Beach is characterized by its partially enclosed circular shape, with a hole in the ceiling that allows sunlight to illuminate the turquoise waters within. The beach was reportedly formed as a result of military testing on the islands in the early 1900s. Today, it's a protected area and a popular destination for tourists who want to experience its unique beauty. Access to Hidden Beach is limited, and visitors often need to take guided tours to reach it. It's a stunning example of the natural beauty that can be found in Mexico's coastal areas. 5th, Bioluminescent Beach. Bioluminescence refers to the natural phenomenon where living organisms, such as certain types of plankton, emit light in response to movement or disturbance in the water. However, there are a few places around the world where you can experience bioluminescent beaches, such as Bioluminescent Beach in Maldives, Mosquito Bay in Vieques, Puerto Rico, and Luminous Lagoon in Jamaica. These locations are known for their glowing waters caused by bioluminescent microorganisms. 4th, Green Sand Beach. Green Sand Beach, also known as Papacolia Beach, is a unique and captivating beach located on the Big Island of Hawaii. What sets this beach apart is its distinctive olive green sand, which is composed of tiny green olivine crystals that have been eroded from the surrounding volcanic rocks. The green sand is a result of the erosion of a volcanic cinder cone that was rich in olivine. Over time, the olivine crystals separated from the other volcanic material and created the striking green hue of the beach. Papacolia Beach is one of only 4 green sand beaches in the world and is a natural wonder that draws visitors seeking to witness its unusual beauty. The beach is not easily accessible and requires a hike or a 4WD vehicle to reach. It's important to be respectful of the environment and the fragile ecosystem when visiting this remarkable beach. 3rd, White Sand Beach. Whitehaven Beach, located on Whitsunday Island in Australia, is one of the most famous white sand beaches in the country. It's known for its incredibly pure and fine silica sand that gives the beach its iconic bright white appearance. Contrast between the dazzling white sand and the stunning turquoise waters of the Coral Sea creates a visually stunning and unforgettable landscape. Whitehaven Beach is accessible by boat from Airlie Beach, and it's a popular destination for tourists seeking a picturesque tropical paradise. The beach is part of the Whitsunday Islands and is often featured in travel magazines and lists of the world's most beautiful beaches. It's a protected area within the Great Barrier Reef Marine Park, and visitors are encouraged to respect the environment and maintain its pristine condition. 2nd, Black Sand Beach. Hawaii is home to several stunning black sand beaches due to its volcanic origins. One of the most well-known black sand beaches in Hawaii is Punaluu Beach, located on the Big Island. Let's see few details about it. Punaluu Beach is a popular black sand beach located on the southeastern coast of the Big Island of Hawaii. The beach gets its striking black color from the volcanic activity in the area. The black sand is composed of tiny fragments of lava that have been broken down by the ocean's waves over time. Punaluu Beach is not only known for its unique black sand but also for its cultural significance and natural beauty. It's a common place to spot endangered Hawaiian green sea turtles basking in the sun. These turtles are known as honu in Hawaiian and are protected by law. The beach also features coconut palms and ironwood trees along its shoreline, offering a picturesque setting. Visitors can enjoy sunbathing, picnicking, and exploring the nearby freshwater fish pond. However, it's important to be respectful of the environment and wildlife when visiting this beautiful beach. Punaluu Beach is a must-visit destination for those looking to experience the volcanic beauty and unique marine life of Hawaii's Big Island. 1st, Pink Sand Beach. Pink Sands Beach in the Bahamas is a famous and stunning beach located on Harbor Island, which is part of the Out Islands of the Bahamas. It's renowned for its soft, powdery pale pink sands that stretch for about 3 miles along the coastline. The pink color of the sand comes from the presence of microscopic coral fragments and shells that have mixed with the white sand over time. The soft pink hue of the sand is truly unique and gives the beach a dreamy and romantic ambience, and the clear turquoise waters of the Atlantic Ocean gently lap the shore, creating a striking contrast with the pink sand. Pink Sands Beach is often less crowded than some other beaches, providing visitors with a serene and tranquil setting. This beach is lined with upscale resorts and boutique hotels that offer stunning oceanfront accommodations, and visitors can enjoy various water sports such as snorkeling, swimming, and paddleboarding, as well as beachside relaxation. Whether you're looking to soak up the sun, enjoy water activities, or simply take in the beauty of the surroundings, Pink Sands Beach is a sought-after destination for those seeking a picturesque and unique beach experience in the Bahamas.